My name is Greg DeVries. I'm one of the owners of Truly Green Farms. We're very traditional in our farming background, and we entered into the greenhouse vegetable world back in 2003 with our home operation, which is called Cedar Line Greenhouses. That is a family-owned operation. When we ran out of space to continue to expand that operation back in 2010, that's when the idea of Truly Green was hatched. Truly Green as a name is very intentional. Our goal here is to make this a very sustainable tomato greenhouse. As an operation is built into 4 different phases. And so we started back in 2012 by building phase 1. Each phase is 22.5 acres. And so we are in the midst right now of completing our 4th phase, which will make the whole operation 90 acres of growing space.
So my name is Erin Deline. My role is Director of Employee Engagement. My main responsibility is to keep our employees engaged. I think that would be first and foremost. Secondly would be coming up with strategic and creative ideas to support our employees to be the best that they can be. High performers, right, is going to help us in our business. But I also, on a strategic level, like to provide clarity to our employees, but also clarity around direction. So there's kind of 2 sides to Priva for us, and one would be, I would say, the mechanics of how Priva works and how it helps us, view performance of our employees, how they're doing.
So my name is Joe Barcos, and I work at Truly Green Farms. My main role within the company would be to strategize with the company on growing patterns and trends based on the markets, and then also to strategically grow the plants for optimal production. Life is about balance. Crop production and growth is also a huge part of the balance. So we actually play a lot with the crop, going from generative to vegetative, and I think that's the one key thing that we have in greenhousing, is that we're able to manipulate that or play with that and be able to achieve optimal goals and production targets. Priva has been the main program that I have used all of my career so far, so it's been a major piece for me. It's what I would know the best, and we use it a lot. When you're setting the climates, you can get very narrowed in on the exact pre-nights and the temperatures that you want, the set points. Also for the grow team, it's quite taxing always having the burden on your shoulders of the production and the growth of the plants. So with Priva, we're able to set things and then leave them be and know that they're being carried out by the computer system quite well.
Typically, Priva will control the heating system and the vents and the irrigation strategy. But right now, we're actually got Priva controlling the flow of CO2 from an ethanol plant. We have Priva controlling the flow of waste heat coming from the ethanol plant. And those are unique applications, but those are applications that the company has the breadth and depth to come up with the solutions, and not only give us the solutions, but ones that are functional and not too complicated, and allow the flow of the operation to happen without any obstacles in the way. This industry is always evolving and changing, and I think we also need to make sure that as we evolve and we change, that we have to maintain our efficiencies, or we're going to lose that edge.